Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and here you'll see the wallpaper section. Just tap there. Here tap yes, I agree. And as can you see, you can use your change your wallpaper from your local photos on your device, from the pre-installed or default photos, or also from the live wallpaper if you get some, or also if you just connect to the Wi-Fi, you can select one from the online wallpapers. And for example, we'll try the pre-installed, and now just tap here on the wallpaper, and you can also preview the wallpapers on your screen. And for example, we can go with this one, and now just tap here to apply, and we want to set the wallpaper at the lock screen. Just tap there, and as can you see, we got here the message that our wallpaper applied successfully. And now we'll just check that. As can you see, we got here our new wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just hold for a while your screen with a finger, and you'll see here the wallpaper icon, and by the same way you can just select the new wallpaper. Just for example, we'll go in with this one. Now just tap to apply and set the lock screen. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our wallpaper to the new one. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.